Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, backup camera, cruise control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.